here we are going to the North Jetty in Nokomis, Florida. I'm gonna go over the bridge. It's beautiful here. You can see the waterway. This is the public beach right here. There's a lot of cars right there. We'll see you at the jetty shortly. So this is Nokomis. Well, this is actually the waterway that comes out to the Gulf of Mexico. And on the right is the North Jetty, on the south is the South Jetty. I'm gonna get a little closer. Right there. Right over there we have a Snake Island. You can swim or kayak or just go on your boat over there. So we have some people fishing here. It's really nice to come out and fish. And we keep walking towards the end of the jetty. Beautiful sun. So there's a lot of wildlife right here. You can see this bird right here is trying to dry. Look how beautiful. Hey buddy, trying to dry? It's so funny. We'll see you later, buddy. Bye bye. So we're at the North Jetty Beach. Extends all the way down that way. It's a beautiful beach. It's nice, quiet, clean. So right here we have another type of bird. What bird is that one?
Ibis.
Ibis? So those are ibis. Look how beautiful. They're usually waiting because they want to steal people's food. Look at this. They're usually around people that are fishing so they can steal their fish and bait.
Nazywają się... Jak się nazywają? Nie wiem, jak się nazywają. Pelikany? Nie, to nie są pelikany. Pelikany to które na
Oh, that fish is too big for it.
That's a pretty little devil, isn't it?
Poleciał do innego plana. Czasem chyba rodzice.
That fish is too big for the ibis.
No.
So you can see and appreciate the beach from here, from the North Jetty. It's beautiful water. And the beach is super nice. That's the pelican I was trying to follow. It's right at the tip of the jetty. Now this bird here is a diver. You see, boom. He's diving now, trying to get some fish. It's a dolphin. It's going towards Snake Island. Yeah, right there. Oh, there's another dolphin right there. Yep. Little guy is back. Hey, little guy. What's the name of that bird?
Oh, I can't see it.
Is it
very
diving bird?
well. No, it's some sort of duck.
So the sun starts to set. Well, still another 15 minutes or so. But it's just so beautiful. Look at that. It's really beautiful. So we're leaving the North Jetty now. And sun's still not setting yet. But getting close. Beautiful place here. See you next time. Bye bye.